Wells Fargo offers direct deposit services that make receiving payments simple and secure. Let's explore what direct deposit is and how it works with your Wells Fargo account. Direct deposit is an electronic payment method that automatically transfers funds directly into your Wells Fargo bank account. This eliminates the need for physical checks and provides several key benefits. The benefits include no physical checks to handle, faster access to your money, enhanced security compared to paper checks, and complete automation once set up. Wells Fargo Direct Deposit is available for various types of payments. You can use it for payroll deposits from your employer, government benefits like Social Security and tax refunds, pension payments, and investment dividends. To set up direct deposit, you'll need 3 key pieces of information. First, your Wells Fargo routing number, which is 11000248 for most accounts. Second, your account number, which you can find on your checks or through online banking. And third, you'll need to specify whether it's a checking or savings account. Wells Fargo provides 3 different types of direct deposit forms to meet your specific needs. The standard direct deposit form is used for regular payroll and most payments. There's a specialized government benefits form for federal and state benefit programs. And finally, a split deposit form allows you to divide your payments between multiple accounts, such as putting part of your paycheck into checking and part into savings. There are several convenient ways to download your Wells Fargo direct deposit form. You can access it through multiple channels to fit your preferences. Once you have the form, filling it out requires specific information in the correct order. Let's walk through each section step by step. After completing the form, you have multiple submission options. Choose the method that works best for your situation and timeline. Here are some important tips to ensure your direct deposit setup goes smoothly. Keep these points in mind when completing and submitting your form.